Hello and welcome. Today we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Constant Contact Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. Next, search for the application you would like to install and click on it. Once that is done, click on Install, scroll down and click on Allow and Install. Reload your page and scroll down to the bottom of your sidebar. Click on Constant Contact. In this interface, we have a series of tabs which I'm going to explain. The first tab contains a document which has information concerning the application. The next tab, Tutorials tab, has a video and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up the application. Next, we have the Setup tab. This is where the application is being set up. And as you can see, our application has already been set up. But in the case it wasn't set up, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Let's get into that. Head into the Developers Portal of Constant Contact. Create an application if an application has not yet been created. But in this case, an application has already been created. So we click on Edit. From there, you copy the API key, head back to your account, you click on Start Setup and paste it where it is required. Head back to the Developers Portal, click on Generate Client Secret, copy the client secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup and your application will be fully set up and ready for use. The next tab we have here is the Support tab, where you can book calls and create tickets with our support team. The next tab is the Change Log. This change log contains information about any changes that were made on the application. And to receive notifications, you can toggle this on and fill in your email address. So when any change is made on the application, you receive a notification. So we have come to the end of our tutorial. I hope you got what you were looking for. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.